Hi guys, and welcome to my channel Arabic with me, Rana. In this video I'm going to tell you an expression or like a sentence we say in English, and also we have an equivalent in Arabic. So let's have it at first in English, and then I will tell you how to get it in Arabic and how does it change from English into Arabic. So in English it's up to you. When you say to any person, it's up to you, Rana, so it's your choice, whatever you like, so it's up to you. This is what the video is about today. So this is, it's up to you, it's up to you. Let's have it first. I will just make it as a whole sentence in spoken Arabic, and then I will tell you as a detail, and then I will tell you what is it in the standard, and then I will of course make it detailed. So the first thing I will say the sentence in the spoken Arabic, spoken Levantine Arabic, the Shami dialect. So we say هيدا شي بيرجع لك. هيدا شي بيرجع لك. Some people may say هذا as this. Of course you know that, you may know that. So this is هيدا and هذا شي بيرجع لك. بيرجع لك. So in this case I will tell you in details what does it mean. So in details it means هيدا, which is this is هيدا, and then she is a matter or a thing or anything. So she means a thing or a matter. So هيدا she, this is the thing or this thing. So this thing, this matter, هيدا she. بيرجع to go back, بيرجع, go back, and then لك is to you. هيدا شي بيرجع لك. This matter goes back to you. So the opinion is on your side. The ball is on your court. So it's up to you. It's your choice. So here it's up to you. هيدا شي بيرجع لك. بيرجع لك. So this is the first thing. And second one, which is not so common to use in the spoken Arabic, but we will say it sometimes, which is هيدا شي بيعود إلك. هيدا شي بيعود إلك. Again, هيدا is this is, she is the thing or the matter, and then بيعود is also to come back or to go back, بيعود, and then إلك to you, إلى, which is to, and then the ak, which is إلك, to you. So this is up to you again, it's up to you. You would say هيدا بيعود إلك or هيدا شي بيعود إلك. So you may say, again I will repeat the spoken Arabic, you would say هيدا شي بيعود إلك. هيدا شي بيعود إلك. You can sometimes delete the she, you can just say هيدا بيعود إلك, because we all know that the matter goes back to you, which is it's the matter that it is up to you. Then the second one is هيدا شي بيرجع إلك or هيدا شي بيرجع لك. بيرجع لك. This is in the spoken Arabic. Let's have it in the standard Arabic. We have the first one, which is actually similar or comes from the same verb that it is in spoken, which is يعود, which is to come back. يعود, or to go back to somewhere. So it would be هذا الأمر يعود إليك. يعود إليك. So هذا الأمر or الأمر, which is the matter, literally the matter, that thing, that the subject we are speaking about. So that matter or this matter, هذا الأمر or الأمر, and then يعود to come back, to go back, إليك, to you, إليك. هذا الأمر يعود إليك. And of course, as standard Arabic learners, you will know that you can say the noun, adjective, verb use of عائد, which is the person who is coming back. So the person who is coming back, or the thing which is coming back. So it would be الأمر عائد إليك. الأمر عائد إليك. الأمر عائد إليك, coming back to you, like going back to you, which is up to you. So this is the first thing. The second, it comes from the verb taraka. taraka, which means left. So to leave someone or to leave something. So it would be الأمر or هذا الأمر, this thing, هذا الأمر. متروك, متروك, so it is left. هذا الأمر متروك لك. It is left to you. Left to you means like it's up to you. Now again, the ball is on your court. Now you can choose. It's your choice. So it's up to you again. So الأمر متروك لك. So in standard, I will repeat both sentences. الأمر متروك لك. And the second one is الأمر عائد إليك. الأمر عائد إليك. And this is it. This is all about this video. Please don't forget to like if you like the video and share it with your friends, especially those people who are, or those students who are learning the Arabic language standard or spoken Levantine language, the Shami language, the Shami dialect. So this is it. This is all about this video. Share it, like it, comment if you have any suggestions, recommendations. If you like it or don't like it, just let me know. And this is it. Love you guys, and I will see you in next videos. Bye.